5 amazing facts about space that will blow your mind. Number 1. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. That's a very long time. Since the moon doesn't have an atmosphere, there is no wind or water to wash away the Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon. This means that their footprints, rover prints, spaceship prints, and any type of mark they left will stay preserved on the moon for a very long time. Not forever though, the moon still has a dynamic environment. It is constantly being hit with micrometeorites. This means that erosion is still happening on the moon, just very slowly. Fact number 2. More energy from the sun hits Earth every hour than the planet uses in a year. This is probably the most shocking fact, but it's very true. The technology of collecting solar energy is an extremely costly one. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus, not Mercury. Most people think that Mercury is the hottest planet in our solar system because it's closest to the Sun. This is partly true, but unlike Venus, Mercury does not have an abundant amount of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere. Venus's atmosphere is full of carbon dioxide, which causes the greenhouse gas effect. Venus's surface warms up immensely by sunlight, and the greenhouse gas effect causes most of the heat to get trapped within its atmosphere. This is what gives Venus a fireball all the time, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The tallest mountain known to humans is 3 times taller than Mount Everest and rests on Mars. The tallest mountain known to humans is Olympus Mons. It is located on Mars and its peak is 25 kilometers high, making it nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. The last and final fact, number 5. Since its discovery, Neptune has only completed 1 orbit. That's right, you heard me. Since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has completed only 1 orbit. Neptune takes around 165 years to complete 1 orbit of the Sun, and its last orbit after discovery was completed on the 1st of July 2011.